Now we will see how we can integrate our ShipRocket account with the InstaCell app. So for that you have to first log in into your ShipRocket panel, and as you can see I have already logged in, and now you have to go to the bottom here where you will see the API button. So click on the API button and you will see a similar screen but without all these fields. You have to go below and click on create an API user. So once you click here, they will ask you to enter an email ID and a password. So you have to note that you enter a new email ID, not the email ID with which you logged in into the ShipRocket account. You have to use a different email ID. For example, I'll use this contact@instacell.in and I'll set a password. There has to be a confirm password, and once we do that, you have to click on generate API credential. So as you can see user created successfully. Once this is done, now you have to go back to the app and I'll show you what has to be done there to link your ShipRocket account to the InstaCell app. So now we are inside the InstaCell app. So as you can see, you have to go to the store screen here, and you can click on the ShipRocket banner that you see on the top, or you can go down below to the shipping settings, and here there is a button called link ShipRocket. You can click on that, and there will be two fields asking for ShipRocket API email and ShipRocket API password. So you have to enter the email and password that you just created inside the ShipRocket panel. So we created the email as contact@instacell.in, and then you have to enter the password that you had mentioned and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will see an alert like this saying your ShipRocket is linked. This means from now on, if you get any orders on your online website, that order would be automatically sent to your ShipRocket panel, from which you can create labels and then ship your order. And if in any case you want to sync your orders manually, or you want to sync the status of the orders, the status, for example, when you ship, the ShipRocket gives a status shipped, and when it's delivered, the ShipRocket assigns a new status as delivered, and there's other statuses like in transit or pending shipment. All of those statuses can be directly mapped to your InstaCell app by clicking on this button here and clicking on sync status. If you click on sync status, the status would be synced, and if you click on sync orders, all the orders would be synced. But you don't need to click on sync orders. Usually all the orders are directly created on your ShipRocket panel. So this is how you can link your ShipRocket panel and use that ShipRocket account with InstaCell app to easily fulfill all your orders.